Oh, fire! Woo, fire! Now, so we had another customer today who said, "Can you meet my demands on his old Toyota Tundra?" And I said, "Well, I'm up for the challenge on this one." We had to just turn away basically the other one, the Astro van, for steel brake lines. That was just going to be impossible from 2002 to make that happen, getting started on it at 12 o'clock on a holiday, day before holiday. So that one, they drove out of here with no brake pedal. It is what it is. You're not going to get it fixed anywhere else today. So the Tundra, is that what this is, Tundra? Needed Titan, Nissan Titan. Needed major front end work, 300,000 miles. We accommodated his budget by servicing what was in his budget to make his car safe. That was the crash, burn, and die video ball joint that Caleb and I did together. And I just had to use some junkyard dog methods here. All the bolts were seized. So now the control arms, torching out the rubber, torching down the collets. Try and tap that now and see if that's working. No, all right. I don't want you to ruin the bolt. So give me the air chisel next, with a fat taper on the blade instead of a skinny. And then let's spread that, and then we're gonna flamethrower this side here. You can see that it's already smoldering. It's already needed a rack and pinion, so it is what it is. And we're gonna cut this collar away with some fire, and I'm gonna bring you along. You know, when a customer gives you demands that, hey, I need this done, it isn't always cut and dry. I mean, even oil changes are challenging today with the cars that aren't your regular customers, with strip drain plugs, new vehicles that you can't have filters in stock for. So it's just not always that, oh, we'll just grab the peanut butter and jelly and smear it on the bread. Well, if you don't have all the pieces for the peanut butter and jelly, you're not going to get a peanut butter and jelly, right? And that's how I feel now. Can you see me? This is how we put little fires out. If we have to put big fires out, we're going to use a fire extinguisher. One of my favorite tools.
That's Amazon too.
Tap it now. Junkyard dog. So one of my best buddies called me the junkyard dog. You know why? Because I could get it done no matter what it took. That was my nickname back in the day when we used to be the fastest guys in South Philly street racing. Fastest guy, least amount of budget. Junkyard dog. That was me. So now we're gonna put some fire on this side here. Grab that heat shield. We're gonna try and protect the rack and pinion that's already bad as best as we can. And then you get to watch us make fire. Zoom! Plenty of happy customers here at Meineke Cinnamons. It's 1/8 plate. Keep water up on the top there. So we do have leaking power steering lines that we're not fixing today. And then when I go home tonight, I'm going to pick all this crap out of my nose with Q-tips.
Yeah. Or you can just like add a little more to your nose and it'll kill it.
Junkyard dog.
Some booger sugar.
There was a time that a customer needed a used ABS module for something, Caleb, right? And another similar situation where they have to have it today, no matter what it takes. I have to have my car back today. And me, when I was a younger man, I was up for those challenges for that kind of crap. So I was like, yeah, I can get it, but the junkyard won't deliver it, so I got to go there. I go there, junkyard says it's still in the car. I'm like, well, can I go take it out of the car? He's like, did you bring tools? I'm like, yeah, I brought tools. A pair of dikes, right? And he's like, are you serious? I'm like, oh yeah, dude, no problem. He's like, seriously? I was like, yeah, I'll go out there and do it right now. I walk back in with the part in my hand 5 minutes later. He goes, you want a job? I'm like, no, dude, I own a shop. He's like, I would have taken my guys all day to take that out. I said, well, that's your problem. but I actually got to use the ABS unit, got it in the customer's car, overcame adversity and all the bullshit involved in getting the job done, and delivered the customer's car. I'm getting too old for that crap. Alright, so now we're going to use my favorite tool again, and then Caleb's going to love tap it. What shops do you think are doing this kind of crap today besides me? Tell me. Thanks for watching.